Hello and welcome to the first episode of Chores Made Easy. Alright, so there are a lot of first timers in this episode. The first time you can see me, the first time I'm wearing this hat, and the first time I'm unboxing an item. Alright, so let's go into the unboxing. Here is the household electric cleaner. This is the extension and this is the item. Here are the other extensions to clean different surface. So here is a clean floor, clean window, clean kitchen. And on top here there are product for function. That is what they label here. So there are a lot of spelling mistake. Floor cleaning, furniture cleaning, bathroom cleaning, kitchen cleaning. I would use bathroom and kitchen cleaning because I'm using this heavyweight. Easy to use, more for function, convenient operation, easy to change accessories, high energy and waterproof design. So high energy ion battery. I hope so. So this is waterproof design. So that means it can go on toilet and water, so it's good. Now here is clean sofa, clean window, clean kitchen, clean floor, clean wall and clean water channel. And yeah, you can see the spelling mistake, clean sofa. It's sofa, right? All in one design, saves the cost and space. Supposedly should be saves the cost and space. Okay. A lot of spelling mistake, but anyways, spelling mistake don't build item. So if the item is good, spelling mistake is with the price, I would actually be okay with it. As long as they don't give me a wrong description or a wrong function, I am perfectly fine. Fine, I tell you, fine! Okay, very good. Yep, let's cut it open. This is high class in opening unboxing. So, as I said, it's the first time. There is first time for everything, I say. Anything? Okay, let's treasure this memorable unboxing. So sad. Well, I didn't say my unboxing skill was top notch. That's why I don't do unboxing. I normally use it for 4 years, 5 years. Then only I review it. So let's see what is inside. Right, so you can see over here we have the accessories. This should be for floor. This is for sofa, or you should call it sofa. This is for cleaning toilet, and no, this is called cleaning toilet. This is for maybe dishwashing. Also toilet also can. So we have all of these accessories. 4. And this is the charger. Okay, not bad. It's using this. It's using this type of charger. Right. So it's normal type. Oh, this is the main unit. Wait. And there is another 2 accessories. So here you go. Here is the other 2 sponge for your floor. It's a bit dirty, but anyways. Here. I thought it was actually glued in. Oh well, don't worry. This is the extension to clip onto this. I don't think a drop would break it. This doesn't do anything much. So here is the main unit, and then the manual. So here shows you what all these accessories are. Rotating disc. This is a rotating disc. So rotating disc. Here is the brushing disc. This is the cleaning sleeve. This one's the cleaning sleeve. Polish sleeve. This is the polish. This is the scouring pad sponge, and the waxing disc. This is where you can do waxing for your car. So the expansion link and extension cord. So this is the expansion link and the extension connector. Okay, so this is the main unit. Yeah, this is all. So let's see what the manual should we do before starting. When charging, the charger LED lamp is red. So I don't know. Oh, it's behind. But I see that the charger looks like is already bent inside. I'm not sure. But you can see inside here, it's like it's bent, the pin. So we can try and see. So it's supposed when charging, the charger LED is red. When the light turns green, indicates the power is full. Follow the method that is used to use the charger that is used. Okay, charging time should not exceed 12 hours. Do not expose. Right now, tell me how long should it be fully charged. Do not expose product to high temperature or extreme cold weather. Okay. Oh, right. So this is the motor. Just press here and it will start and turn off. So you're not supposed to use it before. You're supposed to charge it before using it. So, alright, let's see. Let's see if the charging works. Alright. Let's open. Right, so let's see if it's able to charge. So, okay, I don't see any red light. Is it even charging? I'm not sure. Oh, the charging LED is from there. It's not on the charger itself. It's not an item itself. So once you plug in, your charger will be red. So if you can see, the charger will become red. And if let's say I unplug it, it will change to green. So that's how you know the indicator that it's charging. Let's try for maybe 2 hours or more, and I will tell you on the product. So let me show you my bathroom in a showcase video. There is my toilet. It's so disgusting. That is why I buy this item. So let us see if it works. Item assemble. Alright, so here is my review on this item. This rotation mop. So this product is quite good. It rotates around 330 RPM motor. So far it is waterproof. I've tried pouring water on it in the toilet. As you can see, it works. So if you say clean the dirt, yes, it can clean the dirt. If you say does it works on stain, that depends on the detergent. So my stains are quite long. Of course, we need a stronger detergent. Now, what is not good is their extension. So their extension is, you do it like this. So this is facing down, facing here. So first you have to use this and stick it here, and then the other one you stick it on the other end. So you have to pull out for it to work. This is a bit hard, right, until it clips on. Then you just stick it on like this, right? So this is how you do it. But the only problem is this thing is very easy to come out. So this extension is useless because it always falls out, while this is always going this side, and if you go back here, it's not clipping on, it's not tight. While this is tight, it will always go back here. So even if you try to do it the other way, it's hard to even take it out. Even if you try doing this way, it doesn't go in properly. Okay, so like this, and then if you put it all the way and it clips on, then you're stuck like that. So it doesn't allow you to tightly adjust it this side or even this side. It will snap over here and will stay here. So that is the only problem with this extension, and I'm afraid of the inside here because it looks very easy to break. So after a while using, I think I will just stick it on without opening it up. Now the good thing about this is that this side, it says that it is America's standard usable on their extensions. So I'm trying to get some like a mop extension or something that is longer. This is too short. It's like that up to my head, so it's not really worth the extension. But so far, if you say about this, the motor is not fast, not slow, it's average. It is fast enough that your hand will actually follow it while it's cleaning it, so it is fast enough to do that. But it's not fast enough where you do it in an enclosed space, on a space like this with something blocking it. Then it will either stop or slow down. So yes, that is the only thing about the speed. Now, is it usable? Yes, it works on dirt, so you don't need to clean the wall up and down. Who is it for? Well, you know, it's for those people who are cleaning their toilets or doing some hard work. So I would say this works. Alright, this works. So I haven't tried on others yet, like car cleaning or any other thing. So far I can tell you is it works on the toilet, it can pour water, you can clear the dirt with just water also, without any soap. So yeah, it works. And it's 5.1, 5 in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think around 5 in 1. So with the price, it's 70 ringgit, 69 ringgit, so even up 70 ringgit. Other than that, well, it's cheap, it's worth trying out. And on the manual, it doesn't tell you how long it charges, so this charges around 4 hours. And I don't know how long it can last. I used it for 30 minutes and it works. So more than that, I'm not sure, but it still runs after 30 minutes of me cleaning the toilet. And I offed it and tried to charge it. Other than that, it's worth trying. I'm going out to buy an extension. So anything, I'm going to maybe do another video, a more detailed video on this, on what it can do. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyberramus signing out. Click subscribe if you haven't, click like, go to the end of my video and click the playlist. In the playlist there are all my videos all at the corner at the right side. So thank you for watching.